What's up, guys? I got that here $36 mystery boxes lightning stack. It says Pikachu, look for vintage lightning cards. So right now on the Cyber Monday it is $30, so it has a nice discount. Let's see what we pull from it. Quick overview. It looks like it's open, like a see-through material, but it is just a box. And what we're going to get, 3 factory sealed booster packs. Hopefully we'll get some vintage ones, just like on a advertisement. 1 oversized binder, what I need actually, because I have so many cards just loose. And 1 oversized card. 3 lightning cards, so Pikachu, ultra rare, every box. Okay, cool. And 2 mystery items. Look for graded. So that's why I got 3 boxes to see what kind of difference we'll get from a different boxes. Will it be all the same or will it be very different, especially on the mystery boxes? Okay, nice. A big binder, a Pokemon official, beautiful. Ooh, nice. It says it's 1995, so it's like original. No, it's a reprint, 25 years anniversary. So I'll take that. Okay, we have plain dice for Pokemon. Okay, we have right here Obsidian Flame. Ooh, nice. Coin right here. Pledievolve, Scarlet and Violet. So all the new stuff. Ooh, Pikachu pin. Nice. So we're getting extra stuff for sure. Ooh, nice. Pikachu V. That card is about 50 cents. First of all, there's 2 cards in here. And we have regular Pikachu and a promo Pikachu. They're probably all about 50 cents. We'll take that. That's nice. From 2022. And a Pokemon trading game card sleeves. I like the sleeves. And look, they're kind of like hollow sleeves. Wow, this is nice. Let's say put 2 this, see if we get to get anything else. Super nice. Reversal. Ooh, rare candy gold. I will take that. Nice. Double hit. Gardevoir EX. That's a good hit right there. Anytime I get a gold card, it's awesome. Wow, that's what they hiding, you know, in some weird mystery boxes like this. Yeah, you never know what they're going to pack in there. Back to back hit, let's go. Oh my goodness, wow, this thing is full of heat. Wow, look at that shiny Skeledirge EX. Sorry about my pronunciation. We will take that. So yeah, we have 3 hits in 1 box. What a lucky mystery box. I mean, it's not guaranteed. We never know where they put them, where this hit's going to end up. Will we get back-to-back 3 hits? Let's find out. Reverse and a hollow. Wow, I cannot be upset on these hits. That is some awesome hits. Okay, first box we got 2 heavy hitters, $10, $11 card, and this right here $13 card. So we'll take this one all day. And this one is a better EX. It's a $1.50. Sometimes they're only like 50 cents, but there's a lot of EXs that $5 to $10. Pikachu is highly collectible, so this value dropped down a little bit, but it's a hollow. Market price is $1.13. Okay, let's keep on going. We have 3 boxes, which is a little over $100 after taxes and everything. Okay, let's see what we'll pull right here. Another card right here. Okay, more sleeves. Same sleeves, we'll take it, that's fine. Okay, different pin, no, the same Pikachu pin. Couple of coins right here. Oh, I see the sticker book. Oh, I like it. Look at that, Charizard, Pikachu, Mew. That is a good coin, very shiny. Don't have that one. and see what we got right here. Palladium Wolf, Silver Template, and Scarlet and Violet. Oh wow, no way. Is it gonna be the same thing? Ooh, 25th Anniversary Pikachu. And what is this? 2016. Wow, they definitely have some vintage. And it's like a sticker board for the board games. That's fine. This side here about 50 cents value. It's crazy how some like this kind of full art foils only valued at like 36 cents plus shipping, so like $1 card still. And this one a little bit older but still not very valuable. But what's cool about Pikachu, it's highly collectible. It's one of the most collectible Pokemon cards, so people like them and they sell. So let's see what we're going to pull from Scarlet and Violet. Some good pulls in there we can get. Let's go. Reverse, Hala. Nothing in the first one. Silver Tempest, really good set. I always hit something good in there. So just like a mystery box, you never know what you're going to get and what box you're going to get. Ooh, Radiant Tsarina, back to back, Ligue V-Star. Wow, 2 hits. This thing is just full of hits. I usually got 1 hit. EX or better, I'm counting as a hit. And look at that, we're getting 2 or 3. Plus we get some holos. So these things are a lot of fun. Yeah, 2 hits, we'll take that all day. So this side here, almost $5 card, we'll take it. If it was oversized card, it would have been $36 card. So some of those are really valuable. And the radio is beautiful, but it's only like a 50-cent card. But we'll take it. Hit is a hit. I cannot believe we got 2 hits out of this box. I might buy more because they're $6 cheaper. And it comes with so many goodies and cards. Another pack over here. This card is perfect. What do we got? Dice again. Coin is EX. Wow, every coin is so different. Same pack, we'll take it, put it in the pile. Code card. Nice. Okay, that's good to know. Now it's a different V. That's nice because we don't want the same V all the time. The same. Ooh, different promo. Those promos are more valuable than the V's sometimes. What else? Pikachu pin. That's cool. A whole lot over here now I got. Okay, Palladium, Silver Tempest, Scarlet and Violet. Okay, will we get something really epic? Also, I kind of like that I have 3 oversized books for jumbo cards or whatever they called, because I'm gonna have a lot of those cards, so might as well fill them all up. Somewhere to store them. Keep them nice. Oh wow, 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 another hit EX. I cannot believe it. I might buy more just because I can't believe how many hits these boxes have. Because they're on sale, I paid $36 per box. They're $30 now. I might go buy like 5 more because it's been the luckiest hits. That card is only $1.60, but wow, what's behind there? I cannot believe how many hits we're getting. We're getting like 3 to 2 hits per pack. This is insane. This is the most luckiest packs I ever seen. What is going on? I bet it's going to be sold out. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm just lucky and it's not gonna happen again, but that's why we might have to test it, and I might have to buy like 5 more mystery boxes like that to see how lucky it is, because maybe it's just a fluke and I got lucky. Oh my god, are you serious? We got every single pack hit. How's that even possible? Is it rigged or something? That's insane. 4 hits from 3 packs incredible. So we already scanned this. This is like $2 together. This is like $1 cards. This is right here, $2 card. This is also 50 cents to $1. This is like $1.80, $1.50. That's like 30 cents, and there's another $1.28. So we didn't hit anything very valuable, but hit is a hit. So going into the binders, or it's easy to trade them for sure. So awesome. And again, Pikachu is highly collectible, and this is, here's all my hits. Couple of repeats. So we got 9 hits from 9 packs. Every pack pretty much had a hit, and on top of it we got some from a bonus cards, all this to this holos. So very different variety. I love it. And of course we got a ton of bulk, some vintage ones, 2016, not very vintage, but yeah, super happy with this outcome. I was hoping maybe like 30% of that return, and yeah, we got a lot of packs and other stuff like that too. So amazing.